Hey guys, it is Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to draw the name for the Carpetbagger Compendium course. And some of you were asking, when is the course going to be? And the answer to that is, it has already happened, but it doesn't matter. I film all my courses, and then when I load them up onto Teachable, they are accessible 24/7. So it doesn't matter where you live in the world. Once you are enrolled as a student on Teachable for any courses, whether they're my courses or somebody else's courses, they are loaded up there as videos, and you can access them anytime you like. And there are no time limits on like how many times you can take it, or, you know, do I have 30 days? I had somebody ask if they had a 30-day time period. No, it can take you, 4 months if you want to watch it. But anyway, so what we're going to do is I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker site because it's daunting to think that I would need to write down like almost 500 names. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. So this is what, let me show you how to use it. So I am on the page that has the YouTube video, the Carpetbagger Compendium video that has the giveaway. And what you do is you go up to the top here where it has the address, and you click on that, and then you right click and you hit copy. And then we're going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. And right here, we right click and paste. And then we hit the little search, and it says that we have 482 commenters, and that's because I commented back to several people. So these are actually commenters, not comments. So, but it's not counting when I replied to people. So anyway, so I'm not in there. So we go over here and you just hit start, and it just goes through all of the names. And our winner is Lysandra Norman. And she says, I would love to take the course. Please enter me. Well, Lysandra Norman, you are the winner, my dear. I will be getting a hold of you very soon, and I will message you here on YouTube. And so if for some reason you don't get a message, the YouTube messages are quirky, and I like never get notifications. So if you see this video and you're like, no, she didn't contact me, it's okay. It's okay. Just you can also go to Etsy, which I will put a link on the bottom of this video to my Etsy store, and you can go to Etsy and you can private message me over there too. And then we can get you set up for your Carpetbagger Compendium course. Congratulations, Lysandra. All right, guys, thank you so much for entering in the contest. Thank you all so much for your continued support, and all you wonderful subbies. I will be having more subby giveaways coming up, in the near future. I'm going to be doing this routinely, so get ready. So just get ready. All right, guys, thank you so much. Big love from me to you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.